How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to be going over everybody's favorite topic, septic systems, right? Who doesn't love a good septic system? We're going to be talking about septic systems specifically here in Citrus and Marion County. And, well, what do you need to know about them in relation to a real estate sale? Well, the first thing you need to know is that a septic system can make or break a deal. It can definitely lead to a less than desirable situation if you have a septic issue, and that absolutely could cause you a deal and leave you in, we'll just say, a crappy situation. So what do you want to know whenever you're purchasing a home with a septic system? Well, the first thing you're going to want to know is if the darn thing works like it should. So if you're buying a home with a septic system that's existing, it's not new, it's been there for a while, you're absolutely going to want to get an inspection. And a lot of different types of loans, specifically FHA and VA, are more than likely going to require this inspection. But even if it doesn't, even if you're purchasing cash and this is your third home, doesn't matter. You're going to want to get that inspected because the last thing you want is an issue with the septic system. So in addition to making sure that the septic system itself is working right, we're going to want to make sure that that drain field is draining correctly, because once again, that could lead to an issue shortly down the road. So even if the septic system has been pumped out, we want to make sure that that drain field is working optimally, because the last thing you want as a new buyer is to run into an immediate issue. So to recap, if you're thinking about buying a home with a septic system, you're absolutely going to want to get that inspection. And if you're thinking about selling a home and you don't know how your septic system is performing or when the last time it's been pumped, you might just want to be a little bit proactive. Go on and get that inspected, and if need be, get it pumped out. And of course, if you have any questions about your specific circumstance, happy to help if you're here in Florida any way that I can. And as always, if you find value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye.